Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be making a very easy, delicious meal. Taco. It's taco night and there's going to be enough variety in this dish to please everybody in your household. So as you can see, I've got all of the ingredients laid out. I wanted to show you this shot because when I'm in the kitchen cooking, you're not going to be able to see as clearly because there's going to be some steam coming up from the pot. But I've got all kinds of seasons. I've got some chopped onions, and of course, we're going to kick things off with the ground beef. So let's head on over to the stove and start cooking. Okay, so I have my pan on medium heat, and I'm going to coat it with nonstick cooking spray. Next, I'm going to toss in my ground beef. Now, this is where you can get you can bring in the versatility. You can have the ground turkey, you can have ground chicken, or you can have whatever substitute you want for the ground beef. But tacos are a crowd pleaser, and I'm just breaking mine up with the wooden spoon. So once I get my meat separated, I'm going to add in the diced onion. If you don't like onion, or if your family doesn't like onion, of course you can skip that step. Now, if you've used like a 70-30 mix, then you can drain the fat before you start to add in the seasoning. But this is the seasoning from the taco kit. If you don't have that, you can add in chili powder and ground cumin, and then you can add in your onion powder. Next, I'm going to add in my salt. And then I'm going to add in some black pepper. And lastly, I'm going to add in my paprika. And you don't want to walk away from this pot. You want to keep stirring and mixing and combining the ingredients, because as you combine the ingredients, your beef is going to continue to brown. And you also, again, want to watch for any grease. If it gets too greasy or too oily, you will want to drain that. But I prefer to do that before I add in the seasoning mix, again, because you don't want to let the flavors slip away. So once your beef is browned, then you want to add in your liquid, and you can do one of two options. I like doing a combination. According to the kit, you could just add in some water, but I don't like to do that. I like to add in half water and half beef broth. So as you can see, I'm adding in some beef broth there, and then I'm going to add in some water as well. And I added in about maybe a fourth of a cup of the beef broth, and then about a fourth of a cup of water. Now, once I've got my liquids in and my beef is brown, I'm going to get the lid for this pan, and then I'm going to let this simmer. So by simmering on my stove, I'm going to turn the temperature way down on the number 1, or between 1 and 2, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And that way we can let the flavors combine. Okay, so here we are about 15 or so minutes later, and look at these tacos. It's time for the fun to begin. You can layer on any additional flavor. I've got the Mexican cheese blend, and I'm topping it off with a dab of salsa. Okay, that's it. This gets a thumbs up from me. I like the soft tacos. The rest of my family likes the hard tacos. But if you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss a video from me. And I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.